Hello and welcome to our Dolly Advent collaboration. I'll be opening a surprise gift each day in the lead up to Christmas from either Jay from J Dolls UK, Marna from Dolls Rescued, or from Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Please check out their channels today as well, as they'll also be opening surprise gifts each day, and they could be from me. The links are in the description. Hi there. Today is the 12th day in our Dolly Advent collab. So let's have a look and see what surprise I'll be opening today. Here are my goodies to choose from. Let's find something. Go with, here we go. I've got something from Tammy Powley from Peacecraft Dolls. So let's see what we've got. Oh, okay. I think I've got some lovely photo postcards from Tammy. Oh, how lovely. Oh, I will show pictures of these in the video so you can get a better look. But these are so lovely. Oh my goodness. We've got lots of lovely pictures of Tammy's dolls. We've got Malibu. Oh, how lovely. Oh, that is so awesome. Oh, and a card as well. Oh, isn't that clever? So nice to have these printed up, Tammy. That is really such a good idea. Oh, and they're blank on the back. Oh, not all of them though. They've got lovely quotes on them. How lovely, and we do have a couple of blank ones, and back to the start. That's fantastic. Thank you again so much, Tammy. Those are lovely. I do have a couple of Blythe postcards on display already, so I'll have to mix these in with them and shuffle them around. Thank you so much, Tammy, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and let me know what you thought of today's surprise gift. Please check out the other channels in the collab, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.